Hello guys and welcome back to another of my videos. So in today's video I will show you how to clean the exterior of a car without using a snow foam cannon. Okay, so as you can see, today I will be detailing a van. The van is not in too bad of a shape, so I will show you the close-up of the paint now. As you can see, here and there are some spots of the dirt, but that is fine, we will fix that. As you can see here on the front of the van is a little bit more dirty, but we will fix that as well. So the plastics on this van are the most dirty part of the van, but we will fix that as well. Okay guys, so here you have an equipment that you will need. You will need some sort of a rim cleaner or a wheel cleaner as well. You will need a drying towel, which mine is brand new, so it's packaged. Then you will need some sort of the auto shampoo. I'm using here Sonax's auto shampoo here. You will need some sort of brushes. So I'm using a wheel brush. I am then using a soft brush, and I'm using some sort of hard brush for those more kind of difficult dirt on the rims. Then you will also need 2 buckets, because we are using 2-bucket method. Then I'm going to use a pressure washer. If you don't have one, that's fine, you can use just the hose, but it's recommended to use a pressure washer. Okay guys, so I like to start with the wheel first. I will be using a pressure washer, but if you don't have one, that's no problem, you can use just the hose. Another thing is why I like to use pressure washer. If you see this brake dust over here, the pressure washer will by itself remove a lot of that. So I like to do one tire at a time. So once the tire is wet, we will grab a cleaner next. So for rims and a wheel, I'm using this Sonax cleaner. It's great. It's an iron remover as well. So now we just spray across the rim and tire, and we will wait then a couple of minutes. Okay, so I hope that you can see the cleaner is turning purple. That means it's working. When the cleaner starts working, then we have a couple of options. You can go with the special kind of brush inside the rim, but for today's video I won't do that. I will be focusing just on the outside of a rim. So for that I will be using a hard brush and a soft brush, as well as a tire brush. So I first like to start with the tire. Then I like to use the hard brush. And then I like to follow with the soft brush. Then once you have everything covered, you can go with the pressure washer and wash it all away. Now we can still see some brake dust over here, and what you can do is go again with the cleaner, or if you have a stronger one, you can go with a stronger one instead. So as you can see now, it's a lot better. We still have some brake dust like over here, but that just means that it's really that dry brake dust or that really old brake dust, because this van wasn't cleaned like this ever. So yeah, this could be probably resolved by just going a few times with a cleaner and a brush, or if you have a stronger cleaner than this, maybe I will try the Koch Chemie cleaner the next time. But for clean cars or decently clean cars, this one is perfect for me. I will go another time and then we'll see the results. You can really see how much the tire is cleaner, and also the rims are much more shinier as well. If I'm using 2-bucket method, I like to first start by pressure washing a car. Obviously I am not pressure washing too close, I'm maintaining a nice distance so that I don't scratch the paint. But as you can see there, I had to get really close because there are some leaves and some really hard debris there. But yeah, otherwise don't get too close to the pressure washer. Now let's pressure wash the side of the van. As you can see, I'm maintaining a nice distance. I am just getting the car wet. Okay, now we are getting ready for the contact wash. We are starting from top to bottom, because on the top usually the car is less dirty than on the bottom. We are not going in circles, but we are going up and down or left and right. If you can, do this in the garage, or at least do not do it in the direct sunlight like I did, because the shampoo and the water will dry up too quick and leave the water spots behind, so you don't want that. Okay guys, and then after all of this you would dry the car with a drying towel, but my camera died or it lost the battery. So yeah, unfortunately I was not be able to capture that, but yeah, as you can see here for a little bit, I am drying it with the drying towel, and that's about it. But yeah, nonetheless, I hope you guys are happy with the video. I enjoyed it nonetheless as well. And thank you for watching, guys. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.